Hello students, today we are going to see the new topic, that is supplementary angles. Now, if the sum of the measures of the two angle is 180, they are known as a supplementary angle. Now, what does it mean? See here, some of the figures are given here. So, if I'll take the measurement of these two and do the addition, so 55 degree plus 125. So, answer will come 180 degree. Now this measurement we will take and do the addition, 105 plus 75, answer will come 180 degree. So it means if the two angles is 180 degree, they are known as a supplementary angles. मतलब जब भी हम लोग दो angles को add करते हैं और उनका addition, उनका sum measurement 180 होगा तो वो they are known as a supplementary angles. वो supplementary pairs of angles होंगे. Now see this figure, 90 degree plus 90 degree equals to 180 degree. They are the measurement of all the three pairs which are given here. They are the 180 degree. So these pairs are called as a supplementary angles. मतलब दो pair of angles का measurement अगर 180 degree है तो वो supplementary angles होंगे. Now we will see the practice set 17. Question number 1 is given. Write the measure of the supplements of the angles given below. So we have to find out the supplement of the given angles. 15 दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे we have to find out the supplement of the 15. So we will assume that the supplement of 15 will be the x. So we will write first, let the measure of the supplementary angle be x. So we will do the first, x plus 15 equals to 180 degree. Now why we are writing here 180 degree? Because this is a supplementary angles. So now x plus 15 equals to 180 degree. Why we are writing here 180 degree? Because they are the pairs of supplementary angles. So we will write here x 180 minus 15. Now we will do the subtraction. So answer will come 165 degree. So the supplementary pair of 15 is 165. Now we will see the next question here. Next question is given 180 degree. So again we are going to assume that the measurement of the supplementary angle be x. So we will write here x plus 180 equals to 180. Now we will take 180, x will be here 180. This 180 will become this side, so it will become minus 180. So answer will come 0 degree. Why this is 0 degree? Because it is given itself 180 degree. So there is no other pair for supplementary angles of 180 degree. Now we will see the next question. Here it is given a degree. So now we will assume the other letter. Now we will assume here, let the measurement of the supplement angle be x. So again we will write x plus a equals to 180 degree. Now x will be remain here only, this a 180, this a plus a will become this side, so it will become a minus a degree. So this will be the pair of given angle. Now we are going to see the question number 2. The measure of some angles are given below. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. Now in this question some pair of angles are given here. You have to take the sum measurement of an angle and do the addition and find out the complementary pairs and supplementary pairs. So first suppose I am taking measurement of an angle B plus angle N. So measurement angle N. So angle B is given 60 degree and angle N is given 30 degree. So after the addition answer will come 90 degree. So that means the pair of angle B and N are complementary pairs because the addition is 90 degree. So we will write here, hence measurement of an angle B and measurement of an angle N are complementary pairs, are complementary angles or pairs. Now same way we will make the supplementary pair. So for supplementary pair, suppose I am taking measurement of an angle G and measurement of an angle N. So suppose I am writing here measure angle J plus angle N. So measurement of an angle J is 150 and angle N is 30 degree. So after the addition, answer will come 180 degree. So the 180 means this is the pair of supplementary angles. So we will write hence measurement of an angle J and measurement of an angle N are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Now in the question number 3, see the question number 3. In a triangle XYZ, measurement of a Y is 90 degree. So we have what kind of a pair do X and Y make? Now in this is a triangle XYZ. In this triangle angle Y is 90 degree. So we have to find out the other two angles which are X and Z. So which pair they are making, that we have to find out. So we will write here angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z equals to 180 degree. Why this is 180 degree? Because the sum of the measure of angles of all three angles in a triangle are 180 degree. मतलब इस ट्राइंगल का मेजरमेंट क्या होता है? 180 डिग्री होता है. तो इसलिए तीनों मिला के कितना होएगा? 180 डिग्री. Now in this angle Y is given 90 degree. So we will write X as it is. At the place of Y we are going to write 90 degree. So we will write here 90 degree plus angle Z as it is we will write. Now this angle X plus angle Z will be remain here only and 180 will be remain here only. This 90 plus 90 will come this side. So it will become a minus 90. When you will do the minus, answer will come 90 degree. So angle X plus angle Z will be the 90 degree. Now they are 90 degree. The pair of angle X and Z are making measure is 90 degree. So that's why angle X and angle Z are complementary angles. Complementary angles.